Hey, we picked up a Bluetooth speaker here. It's called 2 Boom. We'll open this up and show you how to use it, Alright, here's our speaker, the 2 Boom, it says. Built-in microphone, long-lasting battery, LED flashing lights, tough rubber finish. Okay. Wireless speaker. Let's open this up and see how it works, okay? Things have a connector like that. Alright, now we're ready. Here we go. There we are. There's our speaker. Pretty nice looking little speaker, isn't it? Alright. Here's your instructions. Charging cable. All that. Get all this out. Oh, there's a connector if you're connecting to something that has a plug-in on it. My phone doesn't, it's strictly Bluetooth, but there's your charging cable right here on the back. There's an on-off switch. There's for a memory card. There's for a USB thumb drive. There's where you plug in your cable. Turn it on. On top here is plus and minus. That's for volume and changing channels. Mode. There's your phone. Alright. There's a pause and all. Let's see how we set this up now, okay? Okay, your instructions say it takes 3 to 5 hours to charge this, but I think it says 18 hours playtime on it or something here. Alright. What we're going to do is pair it now, okay? Let's turn it on. You switch on the back here.
Power on. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Alright. Go look for it here. Let's see. It's called 2 Boom BT488. Click it. Pair it.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alright, we got it there. Let's do this now. Let's go play a song. This is one that came on the phone, so it's not copyrighted, okay? Hold down your volume is plus. Minus. If you want to change songs, look at the flashing lights. I like that. Alright. Push the plus, it'll go to your next song. Hold down the volume down. Okay. See there? Volume up. Press the minus, it'll go back to song. Alright. Mode.
Radio mode.
So
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alright, now it has a port on the back here for a small USB SD card. I don't have one. I do have a thumb drive that has part of an old-time radio showing it. We'll plug it in right here, okay?
Music mode.
Sounded good, real good. A weekend at Malibu, expenses paid with a cash bonus thrown in. But that was before I knew about the henchman, the redhead, and the corpse. These three and a white Panama hat ruined it all for me.
From the pen of Raymond Chandler, outstanding author of crime fiction, comes his most famous character as CBS presents The Adventures of Philip Marlowe.
Pause. We'll unplug it.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Alright, we're back to music now. There it is. Let's go up a song. Down a song. Pause. Now it has a telephone here. I'm not connected, so somebody can't call me here, but you can answer it by pushing your telephone button right here. If you want to hang it up, push it again. If you want to just not answer it, press it, hold it, and it'll just disconnect it, okay? Well, there it is, 2 boom. Now this one has quite a bit of volume on it. Some of the others I picked up didn't, but I do like those blue flashing lights when it's playing. Okay. Pause. All right, well there you have it. 2 boom Bluetooth speaker. Very good sound on it. I'm impressed with this one, okay? So, I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. That way you won't miss it. You got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist called Speakers, okay? And thanks for watching. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of it. Have you tried it? If you haven't, there is links in the description below where you can find these speakers on Amazon, okay? Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.